Measurement of time. Measuring time. We often use words like day, month, and year while measuring the time. Last year, we have seen what daytime and nighttime is in a day. Now, we shall see how the motions of the earth and the moon are used for measuring the time. The time taken by the earth to rotate around itself is called a day. This is the earth's diurnal motion. The time taken by the earth to revolve around the sun is called a year. This is the earth's annual motion. However, months are related to the motion of the moon around the earth. The moon. The moon is a satellite of the earth. It revolves around the earth while spinning around itself. We make use of the moon's motion around the earth for the measurement of time. While the moon rotates around itself, the part that faces the sun is illuminated, while the opposite part is in the dark. The time taken by the moon to rotate around itself and to revolve around the earth is almost the same. As a result, we always see only a specific part of the moon from the earth. As the moon revolves around the earth, its position as observed from the earth always keeps on changing. Therefore, every day we see a change in the shape of the illuminated portion of the moon. These changing shapes of the moon are called phases of the moon. This is how the moon appears in the sky on different days. Sometimes the moon appears as a complete or full circle, or at times it appears as a crescent. Some of the phases of the moon and their names are shown here. Observe the phases of the moon at night with the help of your teacher or parents. Full moon. When the illuminated portion of the moon appears as a full circle, it is called a full moon, and the night is called a full moon night. New moon. When the illuminated portion of the moon remains totally invisible to us, it is called a new moon, and the night is called a new moon night. A month. Within the period from one new moon to the next, the moon completes one revolution around the earth. This period is called a month. Fortnight. A month is divided into two halves. From the new moon day, the visible portion of the moon keeps on increasing or waxing till the full moon day. Then, from the full moon day, it keeps on reducing or waning till the new moon day. Each of these two periods of waxing and waning is of 15 days. These periods are called fortnights. Week. We use one more unit of time measurement, namely a week. A week is made up of 7 days. After 7 days, a new week starts on the 8th day. Note that the week is not related to the motions of the moon or the earth. Let us now study different types of time measurement. Lunar time measurement. In lunar time measurement, only the motion of the moon round the earth is used. The Islamic calendar is based on lunar time measurement. In it, a year comprises 12 lunar months. It has 355 days. The months in this calendar are of 29 or 30 days each. Solar time measurement. In solar time measurement, only the motion of the earth round the sun is used. In it, a year is divided into 12 months. It has approximately 365 days. Note that the months here are not related to the motion of the moon around the earth. The Gregorian calendar, which is from January to December, and the Indian national calendar are based on solar time measurement. In different parts of India, various calendars are used. In order to have uniformity, the Government of India has designed a national calendar. In this calendar, a year starts on 22nd March. The 5 months from Vaishakh to Bhadra of this calendar are of 31 days each, and the remaining are of 30 days each. Lunisolar time measurement. In lunisolar time measurement, the Earth's annual motion is used for measuring the year, and the Moon's motion around the Earth is used for measuring the month. Hindu calendars are lunisolar. Leap year. The Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete its revolution around the Sun. As a result, every year there is a difference of 6 hours in the measurement of a year. In order to make up for this difference, every 4th year, the year is considered to be of 366 days. In such a year, there are 29 days instead of 28 days in the month of February in the Gregorian calendar. Such year is called a leap year. A year is considered to be a leap year if that number is completely divisible by 4. For example, 2004, 2008, etc. In the Indian national calendar, the year starts on 21st March instead of 22nd March when it is a leap year, and the month of Chaitra has 31 days instead of 30.